Are you craving something sweet and savory while staying committed to your keto lifestyle? Get ready for a game-changing meal that satisfies both your taste buds and your macros. This honey chicken breast is a delicious keto-friendly recipe that's perfect for anyone looking for a flavorful twist without compromising their diet goals. It's tender, juicy, and glazed in a sweet sauce that feels indulgent, but fits perfectly within your keto diet recipe plan. Let's start with the foundation. 3 boneless chicken breasts, trimmed and patted dry. Season both sides with salt and pepper to enhance the natural flavor. Lightly coat each piece with about 60 grams, 1/4 cup of flour. But here's the keto trick. Use almond flour or coconut flour instead of regular flour to keep your carb intake low. This creates a crispy crust while staying within the boundaries of a keto diet for weight loss. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt 3 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or go for 2 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil if you prefer a plant-based fat source. Once the pan is hot, add the chicken breasts and cook until golden brown on both sides. The sizzle, the aroma, it's pure comfort food bliss. Remove the chicken and set aside while we build the glaze that makes this dish unforgettable. Into the same skillet, toss in 4 to 5 finely minced garlic cloves. Sauté until aromatic, then add 1 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for that tangy kick and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to balance the sweetness. Now comes the star, 90 grams, 1 to 3 cup of honey. If you're strictly keto, feel free to substitute it with sugar-free honey or maple syrup. Stir the mixture until it begins to bubble and thicken into a glossy glaze. Return the chicken breasts to the pan and spoon the sauce over them generously. Let everything simmer for another 5-7 minutes, allowing the sauce to coat every piece of chicken and infuse it with flavor. Finish with freshly chopped chives, optional, for a pop of green and added freshness. This chicken breast potatoes recipe, minus the potatoes for keto purists, is the ultimate sweet and savory dish that feels indulgent but fits within your meal plan. If you're not strict keto, pair it with roasted sweet potatoes or even mashed cauliflower to round out the plate. Whether you're cooking keto diet recipes for beginners, exploring keto diet recipes for weight loss, or looking for high-protein meals that taste amazing, this honey chicken delivers. It's also versatile. Serve it for weeknight dinners, meal prep lunches, or even at small gatherings. This dish is also a hit for anyone looking for chicken and potato recipes high protein, just swap potatoes for a keto side, or a creative way to enjoy chicken breast and potatoes recipes for dinner, with a keto twist. If you love meal inspiration that doesn't feel like diet food, you'll want to keep this recipe on repeat. This sweet and sticky chicken breast keto hack proves that you don't have to sacrifice taste to stay on track. It's fast, it's easy, and it's packed with flavor. Plus, it's one of the easiest keto diet recipes with chicken you'll ever make.